Hello everyone, today we are going to look at 0x Gasless on Moonbeam. We have already covered deployments on Base and Phantom. We will cover Moonbeam today. We can start by funding our Paymaster API on Moonbeam. You can do that by going on 0xgasless.com and clicking this button. You can create a free account on the dashboard sign-up page and you will be presented with this screen. Clicking on one of these paymasters will allow you to manage it like doing simple transactions like deposit, withdrawals, and listing all the transactions. We'll do a simple deposit of 1 Moonbeam token. Right, you can do that by entering the amount and clicking on deposit. As soon as you do, MetaMask will open, and if your transaction is confirmed, it will be listed here. As you can see, I've done one. Now that we have our Paymaster funded, we can use it to create Gasless applications. We'll start by looking at a small demo script to understand how to integrate the 0x Gasless SDK. Integrating the 0x Gasless SDK is very simple and easy process. We can start by creating a config file that will hold all the important values for our script. Primarily, we need a private key. We need a private key for our wallet, a chain ID for the Moonbeam chain that you can find on the dashboard itself, 1284, an RPC URL. If you don't have one, you can use the Gasless RPC URL, a bundler URL, and finally a Paymaster URL, two of which you can find in the dashboard itself. The Paymaster URL is listed right here. You can find the bundler URL as well from the Bundlers tab. Now the script itself is pretty simple. You start by importing some simple things like create smart account client. With this you create a smart wallet object using the config values that we created earlier. Once we have the smart wallet object, we can use it to send Gasless transactions. Just by adding the Paymaster mode as sponsored, we can turn any transaction to a Gasless transaction. Once we have all of that set up, we can use. The simplicity of 0x Gasless SDK is its synergy and integration with the existing Web3 libraries. You can use Ethers, YME, etc. to directly interact with the contracts alongside these 0x Gasless smart wallets. Here in this script, we are doing a simple USDT transfer from the smart wallet to a recipient wallet. Since this is a simple node script, you can run it by entering the command run and the file name once you do that. A Gasless transaction is triggered and your USDT is transferred to the recipient address. This is the output received that we receive from the SDK, indicating that the transaction is complete. So this is how you can use the 0x Gasless SDK to convert any dApp to a Gasless dApp.